Hello, friends. You are welcome back to the Career and Purpose Reflection series. In the past videos, I've been talking about career discovery and clarity, purpose discovery and clarity. Today, I'm going to take it a step further, and I'll be looking at what happens when we have discovered our purpose and we know this is the path we are following, this is the target where we are going through. Along that path, there are challenges on our ways. There are limiting factors. There are forces that tend to prevent us from achieving our goal. So I titled today, Overcoming the Limiting Factors on the Path to Fulfilling Purpose. And when we are talking about those limiting factors, the key one that I will focus on today is our belief system. And our belief system is shaped by our mindsets. Our belief system determines how we see possibilities. It determines how we overcome obstacles, challenges on our path. And also our belief system about our purpose, our goals, also determines how committed that we will be to that purpose or to that particular objective that you are set out to achieve. One thing that is certain, the truth is that whatsoever that you passionately or you strongly believe in, you give it all it takes. Whatsoever endeavor that you believe in, you put in all your best to it. Your purpose, your goal, your objective in life requires your total commitment to it for it to be actualized. And when you don't believe that you could actually achieve that objective or that goal, then your commitment level is reduced and the chances of fulfilling that also diminishes. And that is why it's very, very important that we set our belief system right in the line, in direction, in alignment to that purpose or that objective or that goal that we set out to achieve. And very quickly, I would like to invite you to just do a quick exercise. You could call it belief system audits, just to look at those belief systems and categorize them into, are they limiting beliefs or are they empowering beliefs? Are they enabling you to fulfill your objective, or they are limiting you to fulfill your objectives? So as you can see, let's quickly run through some of these three aspects of this together. The first is, what do you currently believe about yourself, your potential, and your purpose? What do you currently believe about yourself, your potential, and your purpose? And I will like you to reflect over that question. Jot down things that are coming to your mind. That goal that you set out to achieve. That purpose that you have discovered that this is what you are called to do in life. What do you believe about that purpose? Those gifts, those talents, what belief system do you have around them in terms of your ability, your capability of being able to fulfill and to achieve all of that? And as you are writing that, or if you might probably need more time to think and reflect over that. Once you are able to list those belief systems, those thoughts that you have about those things you are set out to, your purpose, the next thing in that belief system audit that I would like you to also look at, and I have here some examples for you, is to say, are those beliefs that you have itemized earlier on, are they empowering you or limiting you? Are they strengthening you, energizing you to really pursue that which you have discovered that you are called to do or you are set out to do? Or are they preventing you from moving, from pursuing that? And I put here just a couple of exercises. They might not relate to your own belief system, but however, you see some gaps there that you can also write down your own belief that you have atomized and categorize that, is this belief, is it a limiting one or is it empowering me? And if you find out that it's limiting, in place of that belief, what new empowering belief can you have, or that is necessary for you to actualize and fulfill your purpose? Then you put that there. So let's look at, like, for example, someone might have a belief system. I say, oh, I must have everything figured out before I start. When we look at this is limiting belief. And in place of that, you can say, I can start small and learn as I go. Progress is better than perfection. Then the second here I have is, I'm not good enough to pursue my dream career. This is limiting. Instead of that, the more empowering belief is, I can grow, learn, and develop the skills needed to thrive in my calling. And one might also have a belief that other people's opinions matter more than my convictions. This is a limiting belief. My purpose and values are the compass for my life, not people's approval. So I want you to just go through this, fill in the belief system, the belief you've itemized, and then categorize, is it limiting or empowering belief? What new belief can you have in place of that will be more empowering to you in fulfilling your purpose and your goal in life? And the last there is to say, what beliefs do you need to let go or reframe to move forward? The key thing is, I want you to remember, your belief is the first step to transforming your life. And even the scriptures, for those of us that are Christian, says, be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind. That goal, that purpose that you are striving towards, fulfilling it, requires an empowering belief, requires your mindset to align with that which you have seen, for it to actualize, for it to come to pass, for it to come to fulfillment. Don't let limiting belief keep you from the impact that you are born to make in this life. I want you to know that you are not stuck. You have the ability to fulfill that purpose, that vision that God has given to you. And you are just one belief away from the breakthrough that you have been trusting for. I wish you all the best. My name is Dr. Daniel Adewini. And if you find this helpful, please subscribe to the channel so that you stay updated when next I release new videos talking about purpose, encouraging you to live a purposeful life and to fulfill that call, that purpose for which God has created you on this earth. Till next time we see you, I wish you all the best. Bye for now.